we're doing today is we're going to give a demonstration with the Miele Swing versus the Dyson DC 41. We're going to do a test here. We have created a messy rug and we're going to do a one pass each vacuum, and we'll see which one does the better on one pass, okay? So here we go. We're going to start our engine. Here we go. As you can see, we have a much clearer path with the Miele versus the Dyson, who has multiple tracks and trends. So it goes to show you what's picking up what and who's getting the more complete vacuuming job done, which is going to be the Miele. There you go.